Hi guys, it's Reese Plays 123 here, and today we are here with some match attacks. Got 5 packets today, and we have opened in a total, until these have come out, 136 packets after this. I opened a packet before this and I got crap all, and I don't know if you'll be able to see, but these are the odds. Don't think you'll be able to see. So it's just hoping for fingers crossed for 100 club or a limited edition would be better. So let's get into this. With our first packet, we get obviously a Shane Long Pro 11, and I get a Jamie Vardy there, and John Stones. An Ayu, and then Target, Ben Watson, Burrow. I'll show the highlights of the pack basically. These last two are crap. And then we got a game changer, Eden Hazard. That's a great pull there. Wow. He is needed into our collection, which is good. I will show you a blinder update later on. That's our first packet done. Second packet. Get into this. And we'll put that there. Okay. So we get into the normal base cards. And we got, the man match first. Got obviously a Pro 11 Walters. So we start off with a Rashford. He is a GOT, but is pretty decent. I can swap in at school. Then we've got an Ibrahimovic star player, which is quite good. Got Matthew Lowton. Lamella, Bellerin, Mata, and Ross Barkley. They're the highlights of that pack. Of course, I do not support Everton. I support Liverpool. So, yeah. What's this, guys? What's this? Man United forward. Whoo, whoo, whoo. Guys. We have just, it's not the best, but a Rooney, game changer, he is needed to our collection. So he's there. Yes. And then we've got Aguero, star player. And then we've got, I cannot pronounce his name, but let's go into the Pro 11 drink water. Nolito. Oh my god, I can't even say Liverpool player's name. Anyway, there he is. Adrian, he's pretty decent. And that is it for the pack. Please say we can get a limited edition for 100 club. That would be great. We get Pro 11 Kone. We get a drink water, he's pretty good. Then straight after that, Pogba, not 100 club, but normal card. Yes, I have already got him, but he's okay. John Terry. Who else? Any highlights? No. And the Manchester United badge, they're okay. I think by the time I'm recording this, Liverpool are first in the league. Last packet, come on. Please say we can get a limited edition. Put that to the side. Put the down to there. And then we've got, I can't pronounce his name, sorry. Good. He's okay, I guess. Gareth Barry. Wijnaldum, yeah, he's a good one. Chris Smalling. Start off with star playing midfielder, Gylfi Sigurdsson. And the Liverpool forward, we get Roberto Firmino freestyler. I have already got him, but please say. We have got Man City forward. It could be either limited edition, star player, I don't know. Guys, oh my god, guys. Yes, guys, come on. A silver limited edition Aguero in the last packet. Last packet, look, guys, come on. Yes. Got loads of cards here. My god. Last packet, look. That's what it's like today for us. Out of all the cards I got, he was probably the best one I could get. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'll see all you lovely people later. Peace!